Hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's the heart of the home, where style meets functionality. A well-designed kitchen isn't just about good looks, it's about creating a space that works effortlessly for your daily routine. From sleek cabinets to innovative lighting, modern kitchens are all about clean lines, smart solutions, and a touch of personality. Whether you love a minimalist aesthetic or a bold, statement-making design, the right elements can completely transform the space. Today, we're exploring some of the most stylish and practical modern kitchen design ideas that bring both beauty and efficiency into your home. A modern kitchen thrives on simplicity, and nothing achieves that better than handleless cabinets. These sleek designs eliminate visual clutter, creating a seamless and streamlined look. Instead of traditional knobs and handles, push-to-open mechanisms and integrated grooves allow for effortless access. Glossy finishes reflect light beautifully, making the space feel larger, while matte textures add a soft, sophisticated touch. Whether it's high-gloss white for a futuristic feel or deep-toned wood for a warm, contemporary vibe, handleless cabinets redefine modern elegance with their clean and refined aesthetic. Open shelving adds both function and personality to a modern kitchen. Instead of hiding everything behind closed cabinets, open shelves create an airy and stylish display. Floating wooden shelves bring warmth and contrast beautifully against sleek backsplashes, while metal or glass shelving adds a contemporary edge. This design isn't just about looks, it keeps everyday essentials within reach, making the kitchen more practical. To maintain a clutter-free look, a balanced mix of dinnerware, decorative pieces, and greenery can make open shelving feel intentional and curated rather than chaotic. Technology is transforming the way kitchens function, making daily tasks easier and more efficient. Touchless faucets reduce water waste and keep surfaces cleaner, while smart refrigerators track groceries and suggest recipes based on available ingredients. Wi-Fi-enabled ovens allow for remote preheating and precise temperature control, perfect for busy lifestyles. Even lighting has gone high-tech, with voice-activated or app-controlled LED strips that adjust brightness and color temperature for different moods. These innovations bring both convenience and style, turning the kitchen into a space that works smarter, not harder. Bold and contrasting color schemes. Modern kitchens embrace bold contrasts to create striking visual impact. Instead of sticking to a single shade, designers are pairing deep, moody colors with bright, crisp tones for a dynamic look. Matte black cabinets against white marble countertops create a sleek, high-end aesthetic, while navy blue or forest green cabinetry paired with gold or brass hardware adds a touch of elegance. For a softer approach, neutral backdrops can be accented with pops of bold color and backsplashes, bar stools, or even small appliances. The key is balance. Contrasting tones add depth and personality without overwhelming the space. A kitchen island is no longer just a prep station, it's the centerpiece of a modern kitchen. Designed for both style and function, it serves as extra counter space, a casual dining area, and even a workspace. Waterfall edge countertops create a seamless and luxurious look, while built-in storage keeps everything organized. Some islands now feature hidden power outlets, wine coolers, or even slide-out tables for added versatility. Whether it's for meal prep, entertaining guests, or catching up on work, a well-designed island brings efficiency and elegance to the heart of the kitchen. Lighting is more than just a practical necessity, it's a design statement that sets the mood of the kitchen. Oversized pendant lights above an island create a bold focal point, while sleek LED strips under cabinets provide a soft, ambient glow. Layered lighting is key, combining recessed lights for general brightness with accent lighting to highlight architectural details. Geometric designs, metallic finishes, and even sculptural fixtures add personality and sophistication. Whether it's warm and inviting or bright and modern, the right lighting transforms the kitchen into a stylish and functional space. Bringing natural elements into the kitchen adds warmth and a timeless appeal. Wood accents, whether in cabinetry, flooring, or open shelving, create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Stone countertops, such as marble or quartz, provide durability while enhancing the space with unique patterns and textures. Metal details in hardware, lighting, or range hoods introduce a modern industrial edge. Even textured backsplashes, like handmade tiles or exposed brick, add depth and character. The mix of these organic materials creates a balanced design that feels both contemporary and connected to nature. A clutter-free kitchen isn't just about organization, it's about smart, seamless storage that keeps everything within reach without disrupting the design. Handleless drawers with soft close technology maintain a sleek look, while pull-out pantry systems maximize space efficiency. Hidden compartments built into kitchen islands or under countertops provide extra storage without adding bulk. Appliance garages keep coffee makers and toasters tucked away, maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. The goal is to create a kitchen where everything has its place, enhancing both functionality and style. Modern kitchens are increasingly designed to flow effortlessly into outdoor spaces. Large sliding or bifold doors open up the kitchen to patios, gardens, or outdoor dining areas, creating a seamless connection between indoors and out. Expanding the kitchen's countertop space to extend outdoors allows for continuity in design while offering more room for entertaining or cooking. Using similar materials inside and outside, like matching cabinetry, stone countertops, or flooring, reinforces the cohesive look. This design choice not only enhances the kitchen's aesthetic but also makes the space feel more open and inviting, perfect for hosting or enjoying the outdoors. A modern kitchen is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that's functional, efficient, and enjoyable to spend time in. With sleek design elements, smart technology, and clever storage solutions, these ideas can transform any kitchen into a stylish hub for cooking, entertaining, and family time. Whether you're drawn to minimalist elegance or bold design, there's a modern kitchen style for everyone. What's your favorite design trend? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration from HD Interiors.